Alright, hello guys, this is Dr. Sam K, right? A very good one, and I want to quickly in this video, right, show you how you can first of all make an app, okay, from the website of Outstanding International. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can click on the link, the website link. It will take you to the website, and then when you get to the website, you can do forward all you need to do to make sure it becomes an app for you. Okay, so they can save it somewhere on your phone, and then anytime you want to access it, you can quickly do that to access it. So let me just quickly show you that before we take it to something else. All right, this is the time. Okay, so follow me closely as we do that. All right. Alright, so as you can see now, I have the link here right now on this right up. Okay, on my Telegram saved message, I kept it there, so I'll just tap on it. It will take me to the website. Okay, just hold on, wait for it. Alright, so we are here right now. This is the website. Okay, so what you're going to do now is first of all, click on this three dot up here. Can you see these three dots? Click on those three dots up there. Then you're going to see open a Chrome browser. So let's open it in Chrome browser. I've done that. Okay, I don't know the browser you're going to use, but I've opened it in Chrome browser. Then I'm going to click on the three dot up there again, and then I'm going to come down. You're going to see add to home screen. Do you see this place? Add to home screen. Click on it. Alright, then you're going to see outstanding.com. Click on add. Alright, click on add again. Then it's going to go straight to the your home of your phone. Alright, that is where it's going to be. Alright, so okay, it's coming. Just hold on for it. I'm going to show you. Alright, so as you can see now, it has been added to the home screen. This is it. Alright, this is it. This is the website. So what I'm going to do is to just save it somewhere. I'm just going to drag it and then keep it somewhere here. So anytime I want to use it, I'll just go there where it is and just tap on it. It will take me straight again back to the place. So that's why I can easily access the website anywhere, anytime. Do you understand that, right? Okay, so now that we're waiting for us to get a app for outstanding.com at outstanding.international as it is, okay, you can be using this to access it at any time. Is that okay? God bless. I'm going to come back and show you some other things that you really need to see. This is Sam K.